What's up, wealth builders? We're back. If you skipped the first video, shame on you. Make sure you watch the first video and learn what business credit is and the benefits of it. You might think you know a lot about business credit, but you want to watch that video to make sure you are fully in tune with what business credit is. Now, if you feel confident and know what business credit is, then let's get to the next video, right? So, business credit building step 1, building business fundability. Now, the perception lenders, vendors, and credit issuers have of your business is critical to your ability to build strong business credit. Now, before applying for business credit, a business must assure it meets or exceeds all lender legitimacy standards. There are over 20 legitimacy points necessary for a business to have a strong, credible foundation. It is very important that you use your exact business legal name. Your full business name should include any recorded DBA filing you are using. Make sure your business name is exactly the same on your corporation papers, licenses, and bank statements. You can build business credit with almost any corporate entity type. But if you truly want to separate business credit from personal credit, your business must be a separate entity and not a sole proprietor or partnership. Unless you have a separate business entity, a corporation or LLC, you might be doing business, but you're not truly a business. Let me state that one more time. Unless you have a separate business entity, a corporation or LLC, you might be doing business, but you are not truly a business. You need to be a corporation or an LLC to separate personal from business, okay? Your business entity also matters for taxes and for your liability in the event of a lawsuit. Whether you have employees or not, your business entity must have a federal tax ID number, aka EIN. Like you have a social security number, your business has a EIN. Your tax ID number is used to open your bank account and to build your business credit profile. Take the time to verify that all agencies, banks, and trade credit vendors know your EIN number, all right? And make sure that they're listing the same tax ID number for your business. Now, your business address must be a real brick and mortar building, a deliverable physical address, and it cannot be a P.O. box or a UPS address. Lenders tend to frown upon the use of home addresses. Okay, so you gotta have a specific physical address to get business credit. It's just that simple. And there are different options online that can help you get a brick and mortar address even if you don't have an office. Now, some lenders will not approve and fund unless the criterion is met. Okay, you must have a dedicated business phone number with a listing with 411 directory assistance under the business name. Lenders, vendors, credit issuers, and even insurance providers will verify that your business has a listing with 411. You need also a toll-free number will give your business legitimacy. But you must have a local business number for the listing with 411 directory assistance. Lenders perceive 800 numbers or other toll-free phone numbers as a sign of business legitimacy. Now, even if you're a single owner with a home-based business, a toll-free number provides the perception that you are even bigger company. It's easier and expensive. It's easy and inexpensive to set up a virtual local phone number or toll-free 800 number. A cell or home phone number as your main business line could get you flagged as an unestablished business that is too high of a risk. Don't give a personal cell phone or residential phone as the business phone number. You can easily forward a virtual number to any cell or landline phone number. Okay? Now, credit providers will research your company on the internet, and it is best if they learned everything directly from your company website. Not having a company website will severely hurt your chances of getting business credit. There are many places online that offer affordable business websites and hosting packages and things like that, so you can have an internet presence that displays an overview of your company's services and contact information. Okay, and if you need that type of thing and you don't want to go searching, I do have a link in the description for Bluehost. It's definitely cheap to get started with Bluehost, and you can get started today with that and start setting up your company business website. Okay, and it is important to get a company email address for your business. It's not only just professional, it also greatly helps your chances of getting the thumbs up from a credit provider. Setting up a business email address is too easy and inexpensive to neglect. Okay, one of the most common mistakes when building credit for your company is a non-matching business addresses on your business licenses. Even worse, when you don't have the required licenses for your type of business to operate legally. All right, so you definitely got to make sure you have the right licenses to get, your business really legal and be able to get this credit and these loans. Now, contact the state, county, and city government offices of your state or area, and you can see if there are any required licenses and permits to operate your type of business. State business, county license and or permit, city licenses and or permit, and IRS filings must have correct listings of your business. Okay, so make sure that you verify that main agencies like the state, the IRS, the bank, and 401 National Directory list your business the same way and with your exact legal name. Okay, you want it all to be on point, man. For real, that's one of the major downfalls to getting business credit, because everything is not on point, and the banks will find any little thing to deny you. Also, take the time to ensure every bill you get, power bill, phone bill, rent, has the right business name and comes to the business address. Okay, so if you have a physical address and not a virtual address, even with a virtual address, you want to make sure that you're sending all this information, your bills for your business, to that virtual address, okay, or your physical address if you have one for your business. You don't want to have that stuff sent to your home, because that doesn't make sense. It's gonna cause conflict, and everyone, the banks and everyone, going to be looking at you like, you seem to be inexperienced. We don't think we should give you this money. So do remember, if you want an ebook version of this information and it's free, click the download button below. All right, and when you're ready to start your business credit journey, click the get started button below. Okay, that's so we can get this ball rolling. If you don't want to watch no more videos and you ready to go, you ready to get this ball rolling, click that link. Or if not, if you're ready to watch the next video, go ahead and watch the next video and get step 2. With that being said, peace.